Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make big lollipops. First, gather your essential tools and ingredients. You'll need a large lollipop mold, sturdy sticks, and a reliable candy thermometer. For the candy base, prepare sugar, corn syrup, water, and your chosen flavoring. Ensure your workspace is clean and heat-resistant, ready for the hot sugar mixture. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's create the candy base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, allowing it to reach exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit without stirring. Once it hits the target temperature, remove it from the heat and gently stir in your desired flavoring. With your candy mixture ready, it's time to mold your giant lollipops. Carefully and steadily pour the hot liquid into your prepared large lollipop molds. Work quickly but precisely. As soon as you've poured, insert the lollipop sticks into the candy while it's still warm and pliable. Then, patience is key. Allow your lollipops to cool completely for several hours until they are firm. Once fully cooled, gently unmold your impressive giant lollipops. Take a moment to admire your handiwork and check for any imperfections. For an extra touch of magic, consider decorating them with edible glitter or colorful sprinkles before packaging. These make fantastic gifts or party favors. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.